Hi, I'm Gloria Capola, the former owner of a holistic center, massage school, and now a continuing education provider. I'm here today to talk about headaches and how massage techniques can help your headache. There are many types of headaches, from tension headaches to cluster headaches to vascular headaches to hormonal headaches. And there are an enormous amount of massage techniques out there that actually can help alleviate and relieve some of those headaches. The easiest type is a tension headache. Often headaches are misdiagnosed, and sometimes they can even come from TMJ. So, we're going to look at the typical tension type of headache. And if you suffer with those, then you may want to talk to your massage therapist and ask them if they can do any of these particular techniques to help relieve your headache. A lot of us are working on computers all day long, and our heads are down in this position. So we are creating tension on the back of our neck in what's called the suboccipital muscles and along this upper trapezius, as well as into our shoulder, and perhaps even in between our shoulder blades because our arms are forward. Some of us are on, driving all day. And if we're on the road, again, we're putting stress and strain on the upper portion of the body. If you're in school, maybe your head is down on a computer or looking in a book. And so, again, these muscles are under constant stress and strain. I've even found that if I'm on the computer too long and I'm looking at it, I get strain in my eyes as well as the back of my neck. And so then I get more of a frontal type of headache that begins in the back and radiates up and around. Now, if you've had an accident or any type of whiplash injury where your head goes forward and back with a thrust very quickly, it doesn't have to be in a car. It could be on a roller coaster ride. It could be somebody pushed you and your head went forward. This type of whiplash injury creates an imbalance in the muscles in your neck. And often, even this nice big thick muscle, the SEM, the sternocleidomastoid, gets involved and is very tight, and your massage therapist might actually find that you have some tender points in there. So you're going to want to talk to them and ask them, what can you do for my tension headache? I've had maybe a head trauma. I sit at a computer all day long. I'm on the phone a lot. Okay? All of this is creating muscle tightness and muscle imbalance in your body. A general massage for relaxation can help your muscles, and deep tissue techniques can as well. But it's important for your therapist to also balance both sides of your body and bring the structure into better alignment. So if your head is forward like this, they need to get it in a position where it's back. So they need to be skilled enough to know how to get into your anterior cervicals and maybe your chest in order to bring your body back in better alignment. Cranial sacral therapy is also a modality, not so much like a massage where it's manipulating muscle, but it's working on a soft tissue level and the fascia, which is a very gentle approach for people who don't like that deep tissue work. So, through very soft manipulative moves, the therapist is tuning in to a system underneath that you can't see. Okay, not like your muscles. I mean, we can't see our muscles either, but underneath our skin, but a connective tissue, and we're listening to a certain rhythm and pulse that is happening in your body to see what might be tight and creating that pressure in your head. So if your therapist has those skills for cranial sacral therapy, you'll want to ask them. And some people respond as simply as with some energy work just to balance their body through Reiki or polarity. But most often you'll find some of your deep tissue techniques like neuromuscular myoskeletal alignment, myofascial release, and cranial sacral therapies are the best way to relieve your tension headache. If it's hormonal, some energy work might calm it down, some muscle work might calm it down, but we all know our hormones have to get balanced. If it's of a vascular nature, often we can't do much about that. So if you've got tension, talk to your massage therapist. Ask them, what can you do to bring my body back in balance because I sit at a computer all day, or I had an injury and my head and neck got thrown and I am suffering from headaches. Maybe it's daily, maybe it's weekly, maybe it's just mild, and maybe it's really severe, but we can help you. So I hope you'll talk to your massage therapist and find out what they can do to get rid of your headaches today. Thank you for joining me. And if you have a question about your headaches and what massage therapists, can do, or if you need a referral, you can contact me, Gloria, at massageproce@gmail.com, and I will do my best to get the resources for you and direct you to a therapist perhaps in your region. You could also contact what's called the AMTA, and each state has a chapter where they can refer you to local massage therapists. There's also another organization called the ABMP who can also refer you to a therapist in your region. And if you're looking for a cranial sacral therapist, you can contact the Upledger Institute. They are located in Florida, and they can give you a referral in your state. So I hope you find the right practitioner for you and get some relief from those tension headaches. Thank you. Have a great day.